The pursuit of justice continues in criminal court. Today, 7 men charged entering not guilty pleas, including 21-year-old Aaron Lehane of Loveland. Now the family of Stone Foltz wants justice in civil court in a case against the Pi Kappa Alpha fraternity.
Foltz family plan all along, or their goal, has been zero tolerance across the country, not just here at Bowling Green, not just in Ohio, but all across the country. And until that's done, they're not going to rest.
At least 10 people are listed as defendants. Lehane is among those named in the wrongful death lawsuit. In it, attorneys allege a pattern of behavior by the entire organization that led to the death of Stone Foltz, listing off at least 18 events across the country going back to 1965, where 5 members have died and at least 10 others were hospitalized. Recently, in November 2019, this very same Bowling Green chapter, a report saying this fraternity would force new pledges to drink a concoction of alcohol, and witnesses saying the aftermath of one of the pledges after a party called Big Little Party, where the new pledge vomited violently in his dorm room. The fraternity received probation according to the lawsuit. Fast forward to March 4th of 2021, a Big Little ritual event at an off-campus frat house. Pledges are blindfolded and allegedly forced to drink an entire bottle of alcohol around 9 p.m. Foltz allegedly consumes his in as little as 18 minutes. Documents say around 10 p.m., Foltz left the party with Jacob Kryn, who was supposed to stay with Foltz to make sure he was okay. Instead, quote, Stone Foltz was taken from the car into this apartment and left alone on the couch to die. Foltz was found by his roommate, who called 911 and performed CPR while waiting for paramedics. He died at a hospital 3 days later. The coroner ruled Foltz died by, quote, fatal ethanol intoxication, which occurred during a hazing ritual with a blood alcohol level of 0.394, which is nearly 5 times the legal limit. Stephen Albritton, WLWT News 5.